Machine is new in 2011. We're going to run it for you. Machine has 20 inches in X travel, 16 inches in Y, and 20 inches in Z. T-slotted table. You have. We're running right now. What RPM? 1,000. It goes up to 8,000 RPM, going up. 4,000 RPM. Machine's nice and quiet. It's BT spindle. 6,000 RPM. Okay. Again, that's a side mount 20 tool capacity tool changer. Finding the tool. There you go. It's a Milltronics 8200 CNC control, which is conversational G&M code. That's your X and your Y travels. That's your X alone. And there's your Z. Machine has coolant and spider coolant. That's your remote jog handle on the machine, and that's some extra tooling that comes along with it on the white paper. Thank you for watching our video.